Hello there, welcome in. My name is Antiter Butters, and today we're going to be talking about a new item that Twitch just added for streamers on the platform. The new item is called Streamer Achievement Program, and we're going to discuss on how to get there and what it is. So once you're logged into your own Twitch account, look out on the upper right-hand corner of the web browser and click your own icon. It's going to bring a drop menu. Go to the creator dashboard. Once you're there, you're going to head towards the left corner where it says creator dashboard. Sometimes it's hitting on the arrow, so make sure you click that. Once you're there, click the analytics button. It's going to have another drop menu there. Once you're there, head over to achievements tab, click that, scroll towards the bottom of that page, and you can see where the achievements are. For me, it's still in progress. For some of you, it might not be, but here it is. There's 3 new ones. It's Bleed Purple, Marble, and Chrome. For your folks to achieve this specific item, they have 3 different stages. One is 5 million, second is 50 million, and the third one is 250 million watched hours on your own individual channel. Once you've accumulated all that, they send you this statue, right? This Bleed Purple statue for each one, right? So there it is. There's more. The more you stream, the more often viewers can tune in. They mentioned. So this is also for affiliated and partners who have signed the monetized streamer agreement. So make sure you pay attention to that. The accounts also from Twitch help. They also mentioned that the user must not have a current enforced situation on their account. And finally, the person has to reside in an eligible country for shipping, since this has a very specific item, right? Here you go. This is the appropriate one here. So it says Bleed Purple, right? So you will receive a Bleed Purple statue upon completion. You can learn about it more here. It says a Streamer Achievement Program. And it's going to send you to their help. Mind you, this will be available for you on the description of this video. If not, I'm going to scroll through this here. So you could just stop and read it if you want. Without going all the way over there. If not, that is okay. You could just copy paste the link I will provide on the description of this video. That is about it, folks, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do you like this new change? Do you think it's better or for the worse? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for coming by and watching.